Hi, this webinar is How to Print Your Pages, and I'm Kathy Owens, an instructor on the Get It Done team. When you've finished your page in Storybook, it's easy to print your pages. All you have to do is go to the printer, and you can just check here to make sure you've got the right printer selected, do Current Page, and then you would click Print. When you use this feature, all this white space around is going to be wasted photo paper or cardstock, whatever you print on. So I'm going to show you some other options. Okay, so let's go back to our desktop, and to create a folder, because that's how a lot of us do it. We just create a folder, and I'm going to just right-click, say New Folder. And I'm going to call this In and Out folder. A lot of us call it an exchange folder. And so now we have our folder on our desktop. So we'll go back to Storybook, and we are going to click the down arrow, click Save Page As, and this little box right here is where you will check to make sure it goes to the correct folder. And then you can say, okay, you make sure it's a JPEG. Do you want all 34 pages in your book, or do you want just a current page? The other way you can do it is to select selected pages. And to add pages, all you have to do is click on them and add, or double click. And let's just do one. Okay, so we're going to do this one and say okay. And if you're printing, leave your DPI, which is dots per inch, to 300. If you're going to email it or put it on Facebook or your blog or whatever, do 150 or lower because of the file size. And then we'll click Save to save it. And now it's all saved. So now we'll switch over to our Memory Manager, and let me just, okay, so I've brought it all in. I can just go to Get It Again and say Files, and then go to your Exchange folder and pick it up and grab your page. And then all you do is select it and go to your printer. Now, make sure, again, you've got the correct printer selected. And the layout, there's all kinds of varieties. You can do US basic prints, and these are the different versions and things that you can do. And then there's basic international. You've got US photo packages like you'd get at a professional photo shop, where they put like a 5x7 and some wallets on a page. But I'm going to show you how to do 3 4x6 cards all at once. So I selected 3 4x6, and then I'll just increase my number. Notice how I have 3 different prints, and then all I do is click Print, and it prints all 3 of them at once. So that's another way that you can print, and I suggest that you play with the different options and see what you can do. Okay, another way to print is to use your favorite photo center. Do you want to use the Creative Memories Digital Center? Let me go back there first. Yeah, you go to your consultant's website, and then just scroll clear down to the bottom, and right here is the Digital Photo Center. And if you'll click on cards, you can print cards, books. I'm just going to click on the books right now, like we're going to print a book. And it gives you the different sizes that we do along with the prices, so that those prices are right at your fingertips. And then once you've created your account and signed into the Project Center, the Digital Center, then you can click on your projects, and you can go to your storybooks, and you can open and view. Right here, you could preview the book, you can delete it, you can share it with other people, and you can order it. So there's all kinds of options on the Digital Center to print your articles. The other thing that you can do is to go to, hope I can find the right one. That's the wrong one. Okay. You could go to Costco.com. Let me just go there. or you can go to Walmart, Walgreens, Sam's Clubs, wherever you get your pictures done. Sign into their photo center. And a lot of the websites are basically the same, so you'll just have to kind of get used to the different centers that you use and how to do it. Once you're in the photo centers, all you have to do is select your file, and hope I remembered my password. So once you get in, all you do is select your photos and upload them from your Exchange folder or from your In and Out folder, whatever you want to call that folder. And then, so you can click on Upload Photos. And then you go select your picture. On this one, you just select your photo. And then I'm going to go to the In and Out folder, select my picture. Well, we got to click it. And then add these photos, and then you click Start the Upload. So there's all kinds of ways that you can print your projects, printing it with Storybook, printing it with Memory Manager, printing it with the different photo places that you might like to have things printed, or the CM Digital Center. Hope you'll check out some of our other webinars. Kathy will be doing one on importing packages, templates, and calendars, and showing your consultant's website. Michelle will do Memory Manager, and Madeline will do How Do I Start. Hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day.